So mga darlings, honey, sweetheart, and etc. Oh my God, this is an emergency shopping at Louis Vuitton because of Murakami collection. So I am right now at Crystals. They just opened. Oh Lord. See? We are going to walk right there. And unfortunately, I couldn't get an appointment. But wish me luck. They are open now and nobody is there. Ayan. So, ayan yung outfit natin. Do you have like the LV in collaboration with Murakami Blossom collection?
That one, so everything in that collection, if it was available, was only through like a link. It was in the morning at 6 a.m. So we don't have anything in store.
Yeah, but perhaps I can order or something.
Fortunately, we don't have any availability right now. It's already gone. It was only at 6 in the morning, 6 a.m. It was 9 Eastern. So everything that was already launched, we can't order it through ourselves. It was supposed to be the client through a link. So we don't have access to any of it right now.
But I couldn't order online also. So I came here because I thought I could order.
Unfortunately, because that one is very, very limited, they don't even have access for us to order in store. Everything was through the link. If the client was able to access and order, if they didn't have access because it's already sold out.
Oh my goodness.
Yes, yeah, it was very, very, very limited. Like and I do apologize, but a lot of clients have the same issue where there are clients that try to log in and they couldn't order because those are sold out.
Yeah, I just couldn't. Oh, this is a tragedy.
Yes, I'm sorry. If anything, when it launches in the future, if anyone has it in Vegas, it's going to be Wynn, but we don't even know if they're going to have anything available for the client to walk in at all. But right now, there's nothing in any store.
The internet says it is here, so thank you.
You're welcome. No, unfortunately we don't. But if you want to check another store, unfortunately no one has it.
Okay,
Yes,
thanks.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Oh my Lord. So, wala po silang available sa store kasi everything was sold out at 6 a.m. Eastern Time. So, hindi na lang ako pumasok sa Louis Vuitton. Nang gagawin ko yung bibili na lang ako ng stocking sa Gucci. Ayan. Nakakainis. So, ayan. Nakakainis talaga. Nakabili na tayo ng ating stockings, no? Kasi yung stockings ko gutoy-gutoy na talaga. So, pupunta tayo sa Wynn. Kasi baka pwedeng mag-order doon. Ay, naku. Hihintay lang tayo sa ating elevator to elevate us. Okay. Walang katao-tao dito sa Crystals Mall. Diyos ko, nabivertigo pa ako kanina. My gosh. Naligo ako.
Sorry, we're going up.
Are we already here?
Yep.
Thank you.
Sure.
Ayan. Diyos ko, Lord. So, nasa ng connector natin? The tram. Express tram. Dito tayo sa tram. Oh my God. Kalukuhan talaga itong ginagawa ko sa buhay ko. Napakapayapa ng aking umaga. Hindi ko talaga naalala na itong Louis Vuitton in collaboration with Takashi Murakami today na pala ang release ng Blossom Collection. So, na-late po tayo dahil syempre Eastern Time 6, ako'y humihilik pa. My God. Yes. So, magta-tram tayo going to Bellagio. Ayan. Bellagio first and then maglalakad na lang ako to Wynn kasi baka daw may possibility sa Wynn. Kakainis. So, ayan na yung tram natin. Ano? Let's do it. See some open the door. Ay, naku, lovely viewers. Ito ang decoration ng Bellagio. Very nice. Floral. Ganito. Diba? Meron pa tayong mga bees. Like, punta tayo dito sa kabila. Itutour ko kayo. Dami na ng tao. Here. Ganda. Lalabas na tayo kasi we are gonna be going to win. Naku, naiinis ako talaga dun sa Crystal Mall na yan. Walang pakinabang, walang selfie. Kakain. So we are now at Bellagio. Ayan. Yung typical Murano glass selling right there. Pag ako nainis, pupunta ako ng Hermes. Pasok nga ako sa Hermes. Let's say what they have to offer. Inis ako talaga. Kakain. So, ayan, pasok. So, ayan, galing na tayo sa Hermes. Ming. Ay, nilagay niya ako sa sa list for Constance wallet to go. Oh my God. Maglalakad ako papunta ng Win. Jesus Christ. Sorry.
From 7 to 4.
Tapos sa pagmamadali ko kanina, wala pa naman akong sunglasses. Wala akong shades na dala. Mag-ano nga ako. So, nakataksi tayo going to Win. Kasi ang lamig. Ayoko maglakad. At saka may kalayuan din eh. Ayan na yung Win. My goodness. So, nag-tram ako pa from Crystals to Bellagio. Tapos nakakat tayo. From there. Kasi medyo may kulo yung makabisi dito sa Las Vegas. Las Vegas Boulevard. Nandito na tayo. Laki-laki ng Win. So, nasa Win na tayo. Mga darling, Sunny Be Sweetheart, and etc. My goodness. Natatanong. Decoration ng Win. Ang cute. Sana wag umatake ang aking vertigo. Shout out nga pala kay Darling Beautiful Heart. Tinawagan niya ako talaga. Oh my God, happy birthday! Happy birthday, darling Miss Champagne. I remember the place, remember? Dito tayong dalawa na lasing, oh. Sa Parasol Bar. Oo, birthday ngayon ni Miss Champagne. Happy birthday. Cheers! Hi. Did you go to the store?
Oh,
and did they have?
Look at this. I bought these shoes yesterday.
Oh, congratulations! Do they have the Murakami Blossom?
I'm not sure, but I bought those shoes. I bought it first.
Good thing! Good job!
Cheers!
Yeah, cheers! Oh my God. Nakipag-cheers pa sa akin si Manang. Vuitton na nakakatuwa. Oh my goodness. Galing tayo sa Chanel last week. Kasi kinuha ko yung ano. Pag hindi ako nakabili ngayon ng Louis Vuitton, pupunta ako dyan, bibili ako nung purse na cute, napaka-cute. Magsasuicide ako. Ayan. Chanel. Ayan na yung Louis Vuitton. Naku, parang wala sila. Diyos ko, Lord. Dadaan ako mamaya sa Tiffany pala. Palilinis ko yung aking singsing. Diyos ko, parang wala sila. So, ayan, ang kababalaghan today is hindi pwedeng mag-pre-order, but the only store in Vegas that will have it is Gwen. And it's gonna be Friday, next Friday. Jib. Ayan yung Fendi. Ako, naiinis na ako sa Fendi na yan. Kaya ako'y uuwi na lang. Walang selfie ang pagpunta ko today, but at least I have an information. And then yung aking sales agent, kababalik lang from Philippines. Oh my God, I love that dress. You guys, this is Philip Klein. By the way, he is a German fashion designer. So ayun, nandito tayo sa Wynn Shopping Mall. Kakainis talaga eh. Itong Prada, hindi ako talaga mag-shopping dyan dahil nung nagpa-repair ako, napakasungit ng mga tao dyan. Kaya, sa Louis Vuitton, ano lang talaga ako, Wynn and Crystals. Kaya lang, papalit-palit ang mga sales agent ng mga ano dito, sales agent. Kaya, yung sales agent ko dati, bakling-bakling pa naman yun. Ay, wala na rin. Ayan o. Gucci. Sabi ko, pag ako'y naasar, bibili ako ng Dior. Pero sa Europe na lang ako bibili kasi may tax pa. Mura pa.